Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Engineer Push. Today we're going to look at basic installations from beginner to professional series. Kindly go to my previous YouTube channels, go to my YouTube channel videos and watch the previous videos I've done on installations. Then do a recap and quickly come back so that you get a better understanding of what we're going to do today. Today we want to track 16E and 17E. Eutelsat 16E and Amos 17E. Both of them are too close that we can combine both together. Instead of you tracking 16E separate and getting another dish to track 17E, to us it's a waste of dish. You can use a single LNBF to combine both of them on the dish. So I have the frequency here. We can use Eutelsat 16E frequency to track it, or you can use Amos 17E frequency to track it. Once you track any of these frequencies, both the 16E and the 17E, they will come up in the same dish and you get the same frequency. Very good. If you set it properly, you get the same signal strength, no freezing, no cracking. So let's see. Before we track, let me once again do a recap. This dish here is 68E, Intelsat 68.5E. So like I told you earlier on, I told you that all your azimuth, you move from left to right. So it is 68E. 68E has a higher degree, so you move from left. So if this is 16, so 16E, which has a lower degree in terms of azimuth, we move a bit to the right and the elevation will be higher than this. The elevation of 16E will be higher than the elevation of 68E. So what I'm trying to say is that if this is 16E, if this is 16E and this 68E, we use this one as a focal point. So this one should be something like this. Let's assume 68. This one should be something like this. 16.8. Then it will go a bit higher. It will be a bit higher than maybe something like this. So I'm doing this so that you won't start struggling. Some of you will just, some of us as beginners, some of us will just start anywhere we face, start stressing ourselves, moving up and down. So you just get this 68E. It's facing down. So 16E, you go a little bit to your right while backing the dish, or to your left while facing the dish. Understand? So that is how it's going to be done. So let's get our tracker. We get our tracker. We want to get. I want to use this frequency because to me it's this sequence track faster. 12,333 vertical, 3000. And take notes. Some of you in the southern parts of Africa, like Zambia, Zimbabwe, and the rest, you may need a bigger dish. This is our 1 meter dish. You may need like 1.2 meter dish, maybe 1.8 meter dish, depending on the beam. So before you start tracking, please go through linksat.com or flysat.com and check the beam in your area, in your country, and know the dish size that is appropriate for it before start tracking. If not, you will waste your time and you may not get the signal. So here it's appropriate for me to use 1 meter dish in western part of Africa. So let's see. Let's go. So I get my tracker. I get my cable. First of all, I connect my cable. Before switching on your tracker, make sure you put the cable first before switching on your tracker. It's advisable for you to first of all insert your cable first inside your tracker, then come to the dish. Also install your cable to the dish first. Install your cable to the dish first. the force fishing on your tracker. So let's come to this place and see. You can come here and see. So we're on in on our tracker. It's coming up. It's coming up. Okay, so we look for 16 or 17. 16 or 17. Let me just go to 16E. 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 Eutelsat 16E. So this 10, this 16. So I look for the frequency. I said I want to look. I've already inserted the 12333 inside the 16E. I should have gone to 17E to look for it, but I've already set it up in the 16E. So I'll look for 12333 and see 123333333. It's not here. Okay, I use let me use the 10804. 10804. 10804 horizontal 3000. So that's it. I've got it here. So I'll track with this. The strength is 65. The quality is 0. Quality is 0 means we've not got the signal. So let's see. Let's see how go. Let me see how go about it. So trying to see. So you can get it. So we got 19, 14. So the signal is somewhere here. So we got the signal. So I may decide to twist. I can decide to twist the LNBF here. So twisting it, I've got 72. So let me do a blind scan. Let me do a blind scan and see. I do a blind scan or a TP scan. It's coming up. So I'm done. So I've got the signal. I didn't waste the time. So that's how you track your 16A. So I want to let you know. So you can see it's coming up. It's okay. So what I want to let you know now is this. You can see the position of the 16E. You can see this position of the 68. You know, I told you earlier on, when you are back in the dish, 68E is higher than 16E. So the azimuths moving left to right of the dish, 68E will be more of your left hand side, while the more you go, if you are going lesser degree will be moving to your right hand side while back in the dish. But you are facing the dish, it will be like this. 16E will be more of your right hand side, So while you're moving like this, I'm sorry, C68E will be more of your right hand side. So moving like this, if you want to get 16E, you come like this, you come more to your left hand side. Then the elevation, you can see this one is higher. This one is higher than this one is pointing down. So the lower the degree, 68E is lower compared 16E is lower, sorry, 16E is lower compared to 68E. So the lower the degree, the higher it goes. And the higher the degree 68E, the lower it goes. So this 68E, you can see the distance. Some of you want to know the measurements. The measurement from this place to this place, I can say is I'm not with my tape, I would have measured it, but from here to here it's about, let me use step, it's about 2 feet, 2 of my big feet. 2 of my big feet, that the distance I'm standing from this place to this place. But those who have small feet, you can use maybe say 3 feet, because I roll my slippers to be from this place to 3 or 4 feet, depending on the size of your leg. So this is how you track your 68 and 17E. Both the 68E and the 70E are combined on this single LNBF and on this dish. Thank you. Watch out for my next lecture. Bye bye.